Hey, what's up everybody? It's Unbox Everything and we are going to be unboxing the SM57 Shure microphone and got some cables to go along with it. So let's just jump right in. This is a instrument microphone originally. However, it can also be used as a voice microphone or something that they use in podcasts, for example. This is a really good way to have a setup where I can just have something and I can just talk into it while I record and have commentary over some footage that I'm recording or anything like that. Now, initially I was gonna get something way cheaper than what I paid for this. This set me back, not much actually, it was actually decent. This was about £90. Originally, it costs around 100 or 110, I think, but I managed to find it for 90. And this company, apparently, this brand is known for one of the best microphones, like period, apparently. And they have a model which costs, it's like a podcast microphone. And it costs around £400, I kid you not. That's not something that I want, and that's something not that I need. So quite a simple cover, just comes straight off. Box is just all white round. Yeah, it's a decal sticker that you get, very interesting indeed. You get a Velcro strap for, I'm not sure what this is used for yet, but probably something useful. You get a Velcro strap. So this is the mic stand. So essentially you pop your microphone on here, and then you can basically attach it to this thread. You get the pouch inside, and then the microphone is here itself. Wow. This thing has a bit of weight to it. So you just kind of put it in. So there's the microphone on the little unit that it comes with. Put this off on the side. So this is by a brand called Stag. I think they're just kind of like a stock standard brand that does musical, like electronics and wires and all that good stuff. I really need to get an adapter for this. I should have got one, but I didn't. So there's another thing to buy and to consider. I also might get a, not a dead cat, but one of those things that you put over it. I forgot the name of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. I will remember it, don't worry. It's just to help block out. You can hear the B's and the P's kind of like accentuate. So for example, if I talk into this microphone and I say the letter P or B, P, B, P, B, it kind of, you can hear it and it really picks up. So if I get one of those windscreen sponges and put it on top, it should eliminate some of it. It's not perfect. Doesn't really bother me too much anyway. Without further ado, let's jump right in and we'll test this thing out and see how it works. Hey guys, so basically I've set everything up. I've got my microphone here now and I've put it on my little mic arm just for the video purposes and just for testing purposes to show you guys. I have Audacity on the screen now. So the microphone that I'm currently using is my Rode Video Micro, and basically I'm gonna record some stuff and I'm gonna switch back and forth between the different recordings just to show you guys the difference that it actually makes. I am now recording using the Rode Video Micro. This is the normal sound that you guys are used to hearing from me, and now I'm gonna switch to the Shure, and I don't know if there is any difference or not, or what you guys can hear, but hopefully there is. So what I'm going to start to do is actually, I'm holding it fairly close, as you guys can see, to my mouth, but maybe I can bring it even closer, and it's actually telling me on the screen just how loud it's actually going. One thing I can do as well is I can actually dial the knob up as well, so it will become more and more sensitive, and I think now it's picking up my voice even better now. Hopefully it's a lot more clearer. And also what this microphone is actually, it's a unidirectional microphone. So if I just switch back to the Rode microphone quickly. So basically what that does is the Rode microphone, it kind of picks up sound everywhere, all around us. However, when you have a dynamic microphone like this, what happens is it's a directional microphone, so it will only pick up sound from the direction it's facing. So if I switch back, now hopefully you can only hear my voice, and it eliminates all other sounds like ambient noise and like environmental noise and all that kind of stuff all around me. It will just hopefully cancel it out and you won't be able to hear much of it, which is really good for streaming. And sometimes, you know, you live in a space or an environment where, you know, it's a bit difficult. You're going to have people there, you're going to have noises going on in the background. You know, it's just how things are. So having something like this should hopefully help eliminate some of that background noise and only help focus on what I'm saying. And my wife is walking in the background as well, and hopefully you can't hear that. So and now it's going up more, and now it's fully to the max. And as you can see, I'm holding the microphone fairly close to my mouth. I don't know if this is the setting that I'll be using, but if it is, then I'll probably have to keep it a bit further away from me. However, if I bring it closer, more and more closer to my mouth, as you can see, it's starting to spike and starting to peak. So we don't want that. And also what you can do is actually, you can actually just talk off on the side a little bit, which I think will help eliminate some of those issues as well. So that's one thing that I can try out and do. And again, it will be interesting to hear what this sounds like. I need to tinker with the positioning of the microphone and, like, you know, the levels and all that kind of stuff. And possibly it needs some post-production work as well. But other than that, let me guys know what you think in the comments. And again, yeah, I hope you guys can hear the difference, really. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought, and let me know if you have anything that you could recommend me to get, or any suggestions in my like setup or anything, or, you know, the software or anything like that. Let me know in the comments below. It would be really appreciated. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.